Hello, welcome to Otis Place. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing hair mask that will help thicken your hair, help deal with dandruff, and leave your hair so moisturized and soft. Guys, this hair mask is a must try. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. The first ingredient for this hair mask is pawpaw or papaya, depending on what you call it. It is so soft. I don't want to eat it anymore. I ate some already, so yeah, I nourished my insides with it. But these ones have gotten really soft, so I decided to use it for the hair mask. What I just did was I chopped up my pawpaw into small bits in order to make it easy to blend. Pawpaw is very good for the hair. It helps to nourish and rejuvenate the hair follicles. It also helps to prevent premature graying of the hair. It clears chemical buildup on your scalp and your hair. It also adds shine to the hair. It prevents hair thinning. It also helps with hair growth. After chopping up everything, I put it in a blender. Now we'll go to the second ingredient, which is banana. Oh, guys, you know that bananas are lovely for the hair. Bananas help stop excessive shedding. They help to make the hair soft. They help to straighten the hair and give it some shine. They also help in moisturizing the hair. Now we just put everything together, the banana and the pawpaw, and blend it. After blending to a certain level, I went in with my oil, my sweet almond oil. I added just a little over a tablespoon of almond oil and blended again. This part is very important. After blending, you guys, you need to strain the hair so that you don't have particles left in your hair. And when you're straining, I did not use a wig cap. I used a cheesecloth to strain this so that every little particle will be left behind. What will just be here will be the smooth banana papaya paste. This is what's left in the cloth, and if I didn't strain it, those particles would have been left in my hair. Guys, it's so annoying when you have particles left in your hair. Trust me, it is not fun at all because you have to wash and wash and wash and wash. Now this is how our hair mask is looking. Let me just tell you guys that this thing smelled so delicious. I was tempted to have a taste. It smells really good. So now I'm just going to move on to applying it to my hair. My hair is dry. Today is wash day. So I'm applying this before actually washing my hair. I'm going to make sure that every part of my hair gets this nourishing goodness. I'm no stranger to banana hair mask, but this is my first time applying papaya or pawpaw to my hair. I just normally eat my pawpaw, but guys, I've been sold anytime I have overripe pawpaw and I'm tired of making smoothies, or I don't feel like eating it as it's too ripe. This is the next thing I'm going to do with it, a hair mask, because my hair felt so good. Make sure you stay tuned to this video so that you see how the hair looks after washing the hair. You can see that I'm applying this mask in sections just so that every part of my hair gets this nourishing goodness. And I'm also applying to the tips of my hair because that's the oldest part of my hair and that's more prone to breakage. I'm also working the mask into my hair. I'm kind of like, massaging it lightly into my hair. After applying everything, I'm making sure that I don't leave anything behind. I'm scraping whatever is left. This mask is so good for the hair. It helps, the two ingredients actually help in boosting hair growth. If you want to see volume, if you want to see thickness, I will recommend this mask to you. Bananas are good at doing that, volumizing your hair. Let me know in the comment section, have you used a papaya hair mask before? Let me know. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. After applying it to my whole hair, what I'm just doing is covering the hair with a plastic bag for about 30 to 45 minutes. I actually stayed longer than 30 minutes. I stayed for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is how my hair looked. It felt even better than it did when I applied it, because the heat has helped work on the hair. My hair felt so good. After washing it, I just washed with only water. Guys, I've not yet shampooed my hair, and this is how my hair is looking. You can see that the hair is already shiny. It has some shine. The hair is soft. It is so, so manageable. Guys, I recommend this mask to you. If you're watching up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on the bell by the side, select the all options so that whenever I post videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and family who are on a hair journey. So I'm just going to twist this back up and proceed with my wash day. Guys, can you see the difference in how my hair is looking now and when I started applying the mask? Can you also see how my curls are defined? This is a must try. I recommend you try this hair mask. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.